Good morning, hunters. Another day, another hunt. APE went really high and after hours around 11 p.m. and the price of AMC went down around 11 p.m. Something going on, guys. Something going on. Someone dumped AMC and bought APE instead. So we have to watch out for AMC and APE because after hours there's some things going on after the market close. So APE get near the $2. Yeah, we saw the $2. Price went down from there, but still up 17%. For APE 23% because we didn't hold this support around the $4.85. So now we might see a continuation for price action for AMC for today. Welcome everybody. We're watching Oscar Health Corporation. The stock is still pumping. We might have a new price for today around the 8. Yesterday we have double top around the $7.10. Price got rejected, but now in pre-market is still holding. Yeah, Dave, that's why Mara is bumping 2%. We tested our support yesterday, the $8.12, and the price went up. Great. This is really great for price action for Mara. So the news was we got Marathon Digital Bitcoin production in Q1 increases. Yeah, we got a huge pump. That's why we got a huge, not a huge pump, but this news actually saved us from breaking this support to the $8. So we might have a breakout after all after the $9.43 this time. Dogecoin pumped yesterday. Huge pump for Dogecoin after Elon Musk put the ticker for Dogecoin on Twitter. Yeah, we jumped almost 35. Ethereum doing alright, a new high going toward the 2000. If we go to AMC, yeah, AMC is calling up from the bottom. We got reversal near the $3.68. We expect a bit of resistance. Yeah, huge dip for AMC. Let us check the screener for today. Stock screener here. We got many stock that we should watch. Yesterday was the energy sector pumping. Now the energy sector is going down in pre-market. Let's check those stocks. We got this one, BFRG. Interesting. So 55%. We got this stock yesterday in after hours pumped, tested our resistance, $4.52, and then now pre-market pumped a new high around the 7. I think we got IPO for this stock around the 14th of February. Let me just check. Yeah, 2 months ago. Now is pumping from the IPO price over the 5. We might have the 10. This one is pumping. BFRG. We got another one, CDLX. Kind of a bit risky. The other one, BFLY, jumping 21%, volume not bad. Price around the $1.87. Yeah, we already watched this one before. We're still holding the support of yesterday. Yeah, 21%. This one look promising. Yeah, we expect a test here. $2.53. $2.18 is the support. Yeah, we might see almost the 3 for this one. Still pumping. Now pre-market $2.27. Really interesting play here. Yeah, $2.17 should be the support. $2.50 is the resistance. $2.90 profit. BFLY look interesting for today. Oh, not this one. You see, this is really tricky.
I don't.
Okay, so let me just try to type it once again. BFLY. You see, guys, we have two. One on this B500, the other one on the Nasdaq. So yeah, this one, not the other one. That's why I always recommend for you guys, if you ask about any stock, try to type the name. For this one, it's Butterfly Network with the ticker symbol, you know, if it's new stock. So for AMC, APE, you don't have to write the whole name, but for new tickers, new stocks, it's better to write the full company name to make it easier for us to find the right one. The other one, we got APE, of course, here. This one we hunted before, Vero, but in the daily chart look really hideous. This is not good. Think that's it for today. Let's check. We got this one. Before I forget, I have to put an alert just in case. How everybody doing? Mara, doing all right. Getting near the 2%. Interesting, yeah, really interesting. Mara looking really interesting. Many of you ask about NEO. Let me go on my other list to check Tesla. Tesla's gapping up almost 1%. Nvidia doing good. AMD. NEO not that good. Yeah, we got huge flush from the $10.70. Now it's a critical area around the $9.60. We need to hold, guys. We need to hold here. We should have hold. Don't want to have a flush on going below the 8. Yeah, really interesting here. Really interesting. So this is critical area for NEO to reverse from above our support, the $9.50. If we have this reversal, it would be really good to go again toward the $10.70, which is our resistance. So NEO still dropping down. Yesterday 6%, now it's 2%. For my opinion, the best bottom to buy NEO for this year is the 5. Another 40% drop. Yeah, would be the best bottom to buy NEO at. For my opinion, we're gonna have a huge reversal, like what happened here when we visit a new bottom around the 12. Yeah, we did almost 120. It was back in May last year. Yeah, almost 80%. 80%. Let me just check how much we can do from here. We might see 180 instead of 80. So yeah, the $5 should be a nice bottom. But now we'll see if we hold above this area. John, it's like throwing a rock from high building and you tell me why the rock will hit the floor. It's the same. It's gravity, man. I see gravity. The gravitation pull for NEO is around the 5. That's why I said there is almost 40% drop. I'm talking about this year price. So if we're still trending down, because we're still trending down in big picture, we're gonna have the 5 sooner rather than later. So I'm not talking about today or tomorrow or after 1 week. This price action could take months. So when I talk about big ranges like this, is mean in the big picture. There's two things here: smaller picture and big picture. Great, Dave, great. Yeah, 15 minutes. And the opening bell for today. AMD looking interesting. All semiconductors, guys, kind of entered a bullish trend now for AMD, for NVIDIA. You see, we have a great reversal for NVIDIA from this bearish channel and price reverse. And of course for Intel as well, we have a great reversal here. Huge buying pressure, you see here. So we started to reverse after we broke the $30. So the semiconductor stocks doing pretty nice with energy stock. With energy stocks, so both of them doing all right in the big picture, still gravitating higher. Slow and steady gains. Slow and steady gains. The SPY doing all right, getting near a new high, getting near the 416. Today is 411. FRC, man, I'm telling you, there's something about to happen for FRC. You see what happened here? We're getting near the $15, the squeeze. Every time we're getting near this level of resistance, we got a huge selling pressure. But now the selling pressure is slowed. You know what this mean? Is mean there's buying pressure and big whale eating all the sell orders. And this is make us doing higher lows, and the price is potential squeeze pretty soon. So this is good signal that FRC, we might have a pump after this huge flush down, man. Flushing down big time. You see here, 70% sell off from the 36 until the almost the $10, 1180. And guess what? Now we started to coil up here, boom, here, boom, here, boom. So this is it. If we don't break this level of resistance, flush down once again below the $10. So this is really critical, guys. Really critical. Let me just check. Yeah, we expect here some almost 28%, and for the stop loss for this one should be 7. So you see here we got a risk reward ratio for this trade is 3.75. we got the target, the first target, let me just put it down. The first target is 12%. So if we took first profit taken around this area should be 12%, and the risk around, let me just put it just in case here if we don't want to get snatched by the market maker. So yeah, we went 6 or 12 and we lose 7. So risk to reward ratio is 1 to 62. On the other hand, the second profit taken, if we hit it, 28% on 7 loss is mean we got 3.76 went to risk to reward ratio. So it's good. Any reward risk or risk to reward ratio over the 2 is good, or 3 right now for this case. For this trade is almost 3.70 or around the 4 ratio 4. So this is really good. However, if we want to short, we could actually enter it here. Okay, for the short is really good because we might have a big position down. Yeah, we could actually risk just 1%. Yeah, the entry should be, let's say the entry here or there. Yeah, so we could actually have risk to reward ratio 5.80. so this is even better for the short position. So you see, the game plan is calculate how much you're willing to risk and how much you're willing to gain, and this is make it easier for you to choose from many stocks, because we have thousands, guys. The only way to narrow down our trade is by doing this and see the risk reward ratio. The bigger the better. I think they made more, man. Xander, I think they make more than billion. Great question. Great question for Mara. For Mara, guys, for Mara, sub loss should be over the 8. So let me just bring my level. Today, if we opened around this breakout, which is, let's say, around this area. So here we got risk ratio reward is 1-to-1. So you risk $1, you win $1. Of course, if the stop loss is around the 8, give or take around the 8. And the entry point should be around this level. So yeah, so for Mara we might have a break from the 940, and the profit taken, actually the real profit taken should be around this level, the 40. So risk reward ratio is almost 5. Interesting. Really interesting. Yeah, so this is the game plan for Marathon Digital Holding. We got P&L around the quantity, of course. Okay, so we got almost 32% on the profit taken, the $11.50. This should be the target. It's not daily target, but this is swing trade. Would take some time. However, if we need to have this pump almost 32%, we need to hold the current support, which is over the 8, and breaking, of course, the 940, which is the current resistance for today. So Mara looking pretty interesting, because we got some news, as we said, for Mara, getting a good Bitcoin production in Q1. There is a huge increase in Bitcoin production for Marathon Digital Holding. This is great news, yeah. We'll see if we're still holding the support and breaking the first resistance, for my opinion, around the 9. Yeah, the 9. First resistance around the 9. That's why we put alert. BFLY 22%. This one should be the top gainer for today. We'll see if we have a continuation. AMC, oh man, AMC pumping, because we got just 4 minutes left. It's pumping and testing the most important level of resistance now. We'll see if we get rejected when the market open around this level. me just put it there. Yeah, here we're gonna have a huge wick and test around the $4.30. We'll see. This will confirm everything. If the short is still heavily positioned or adding some short position for AMC, we might have a wick and the price will continue to go down toward the $3.20. Interesting play for AMC. Interesting play for AMC. Interesting. APE is giving a bit back from the profit that we made yesterday. IMPP, the only energy stock that is still in green. FRC is going back down. And Oscar, pre-market, no trade. Here on TradingView, we don't have price action on Oscar. When the market open, we'll see. As we said for Oscar, the support is the $6.70. The breakout for today is the $7.09. Let me just calculate how much we can gain for this one. If we entered again around this area, the 7, profit taken around this, stop loss, let's say around this area. Yeah, we got 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio 2.15. Profit taken is 11%, loss is 5%. Yeah, it's always almost double. So it's good. As we said, 2 to 1 is good. Less than that is not good. It's not. It's good to risk. The more is better. Big day, guys, big day even for Dogecoin, because we got crazy thing going on Twitter. You see, Twitter is turning to Dogecoin. If you didn't check, Twitter is now turning to Dogecoin meme. Everybody thought would be like April Fool Day for Twitter, but now is almost 4 days, and Elon Musk didn't change the symbol for Twitter from Twitter to Dogecoin. This is really funny. Okay, so guys, we almost opened for the trading session for today. Remember, day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence. Always have like a strategy planned before you trade your own money. And of course, be patient. Let the price come to you. Never run after the price. And of course, I know, guys, we got almost 100 people watching, but less likes. As everybody knows, traders are focused on trading and not liking the videos. So let's get right to it, guys. The market's opened. Oscar is opened below our support. This is not looking good. FRC going up, I think. IMPP going down. APE, AMC going down, Mara. So the opening bell is still okay. Let's check Oscar, because still down. Volume is pretty light. Not good reaction for Oscar because we broke the support. Wow, FRC is going down. We'll watch. Okay, this one, PFLY, is going down as well. Mara is doing all right. Okay, Oscar is pumping. Oscar is pumping. We'll see. If we break the 7, will be a good indication for strength for today for Oscar. And let me just put alert for Oscar below this level, the $6.63. Let's see. Wow. Okay, FRC is going down, testing our ascending channel. If we flush from this area, is mean a short opportunity down toward the 12. Let's see. The short is still adding, guys, for FRC. That's why we didn't overcome this level. Oscar was gonna be, we have a bounce from our AMA. FRC, huge dump down. AMC pumping. AMC is pumping. Mara still holding. So we got APE and AMC. AMC, a huge volatility for today for sure. YMAB. So we have a breakout for this stock. YAMP. YMAB. Okay, so this one light volume, but as everybody knows, light volume is not indication for that stock. It doesn't pump because we have dark pools, everything goes. So YMP, this one is have potential to pump toward this level, $7.46. We got some support here. Wow, AMC, I think we are halted up around the $4.40. The APE buying the dip. The APE buying the dip. Yeah, we did 16%. Just from the opening bell, we got this huge pump. Yeah, we got this pump over our resistance, which is around the $4.17. Let's see if we hold over the 4. So the 4 is our current support for AMC, and the level of resistance that we have to watch is around this area, the $4.87. What's going on? Okay, this one doesn't look good, man. Oscar doesn't look good anymore because we broke the $6.74. Now testing our EMA, we might have a flush below that today because we have double top yesterday around the $7.10. Yeah, it looked really bad. Should have actually broke the $6.74. Let me just check how much we can drop from here. Another 4% and maybe even lower. Yeah, AMC halted, guys. AMC is halted around the $4.40. Oscar is fighting for the last bottom that we should hold. FRC is still fighting. This is it for FRC to hold this ascending channel in order to have a reversal. So I'm watching closely, because if we broke this ascending channel, we're gonna have a flush down toward the 11 this time, $11.78. So I'm watching closely for a reversal and breaking the 15. For Oscar, as the same scenario, we have the last bottom to hold over this AMA and breaking the $7.10 if we don't want to have a flush down. So this is really critical area for Oscar as well. Yeah, I think we broke now. Yeah, we broke. We're gonna have a flush now. Let me just go in big picture. We're still holding a big picture. The confirmation of flush will be around the 1379. Yeah, now is happening, guys. It's happening. We might see a flush for FRC. Yeah, we had the chance to break the 15, but we didn't. The same with Oscar. Yeah, this is it. AMC getting rejected. So for AMC, we need to hold over the 4 if we don't want to have a flush. We want to confirm a bottom and support. Yeah, over this level. This should be our support for today. If we don't want to go toward the $3.23, of course. Resistance is around the $4.80. Neo is breaking the support, I think. Yeah, it's breaking. And Oscar is dumping down. Of course. Oscar is dumping down now. FRC is going down as well. It's a day for the short seller. This one got rejected around the $5.90. AMC drawing back. Yeah, a test around the $4.50. Price went down from RMA after the unhalting. Now the price testing the support around the $4.09. If we broke it, this means continuation down. This should be support and reversal. while it's going down. Let me just check the SPY. Yeah, the SPY is going down a bit. Intel doing really alright, still holding. 35, we might see the 35 for today for Intel, 6%. We got another support around the 32. Yeah, we got this risk ratio, 2% on the 6%. Okay, AMC still holding, guys. $4.06 still holding. Yeah, we got good pump for AMC from the bottom, $4.06. This is good. We need to hold this support. FRC, man, FRC. Yeah, we might see a huge flush for today. We might see a huge flush. Still holding. Yeah, AMC now dropping down from this support. So yeah, we might see the $3.23 after all. Let me just put it here for confirmation for a sell-off around the $3.66. Mara still holding. FRC still kind of struggling to hold. Yeah, we might have a test again to test the 1420, then continue to go down toward the 1290. I don't like this reaction when we didn't even test the $15. Weakness, weakness, weakness. AMC a huge wick around the 440. Wow, $4.07. They add some position, guys. The short seller add a huge position around the $4.07, which is our support. That's why we broke it. Yeah, this is interesting support here. We have a huge wick. Okay, there's a huge fight here, guys. Huge fight. I'm not even kidding. Around the $4, over the $4. Yeah, we went until the $4.03. So yeah, the $4, guys. $4 is the fight. Is the fight. This is the fight. Yeah, the $4 should be interesting level to hold. Let me just put it here. Yeah, the $4. $4. Let me just bring AMC here. Wow, our position for BBY is still there. As we said, BBY will continue to go down. We open our position for BBY was here. Let me just check. Average price around the 43. Yeah, now it's 35. So yeah, it was a straightforward short opportunity for BBY. Yeah, now we have a reversal. Still holding the 4. This is good. Let me just go for the short BBY. Yeah, still going down, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I will lower my profit taken here around the 39. I will keep my position open for BBY. So you know what I'm gonna do here? I will just take profit. No, yeah, take profit here. No, without taking profit, I will do a trailing stop. So stop loss, I will put it around this level. I will just copy paste it and put it here. No, I can't copy paste it. So 39.70 or yeah, 0.3977. So you see stop loss, but here is still in profit. That's why it's called a trailing stop. So I lowered my stop loss to not even breaking even, but I will be in profit. 468. So if we go back here, yeah, I hit our level. Okay, so we entered around the 43, lowered our stop loss around the 39, and no profit taking because this is could be going really low. So we'll lower this and don't put profit taking because we have trailing stop. So I will confirm. I forget about this trade. And watch the other trade like AMC because there's a potential reversal. Yeah, AMC looking good. Let's check AI because it hit our level. Wow, FRC, guys, FRC is going down. FRC. we can do something. Let's check. Let's sell some FRC. We can actually sell more than 760. Okay, we'll sell. We could actually sell FRC and try to take profit on this. We might see a test for the 1290. Yeah, and even lower, maybe around the 11 this time. So I will make it around the 13 just in case. Stop loss, of course, around the $15. AMC, yeah, FRC is going down, guys, to the depths. FRC is, or AMC, I will watch. I will be in sideline on this one. I don't trust it. I don't trust it yet. So I have alert here around the $3.90 just in case for a flush. For flush down toward the $3.23, and here we could actually buy for AMC around the $3.23. But now we watch still because we're still holding the 4. Yeah, AI is going down, guys. 29.90. This is our support. We bounce from it, so there's a potential reversal here, because this should be a support for AI. Let's see. Okay, I will lower it here. 28.89. This should be a support. Yeah, interesting. AI, interesting. I'll keep it. Mara is still shorting. It's getting shorted. AMC still. APE still. FRC. We'll see. INTC is pumping. Intel is pumping. This one is going to the moon, guys. This one's going to the moon. We have double top here. Wow, Jam, great idea. Great idea. It's trading 2 and 2, Jam. But they didn't give me a lot. They don't give me a lot of share to short. Yeah, they don't give me a lot. Let me just check again here. Yeah, they give me really little. I really wanted more, but they didn't give me more. INTC, there's a potential double top and a breakout. Look at this chart, man. Look. INTC is about to pump. This time toward the 35 at least. Another 6%. We entered the huge bullish run after we broke this level, the 30. So INTC, there's a potential 35, 40 and beyond. We'll see what's gonna happen. I will put alert here, 35, and let this trade go. Support is around the 32. AMC is still struggling, guys. That's why we are watching in the sidelines for AMC. FRC, potential flush continuation down. Oscar, undecided, up and down, up and down. AI potential bottom actually around the 28.89. Huge flush for today, 10%. Top gainer for today, we got this stock, BFRG, 75% for today. Wow, we went until the 10. This one is really crazy. BFRG, guys, telling you, we already talked about yesterday. We said the $4.50 is our breakout zone. CXT, 54%, light volume. CDLX, pumping 30%. Let me just check here. Not good for this one. Butterfly, this one is flying. We have a big wick around our bottom, the 2. Butterfly doing all right. Yeah, Butterfly doing all right. BFLY, let's see if there's some stocks we could short for today. There's always potential to short and buy. CR, AMC, oh man, AMC going below the 4 now. Not good. If we saw below the 4 is not good. Yeah, $3.98. Not good for AMC. GFAI. This one was the top gainer yesterday, now is on the top losers as well, 13% down, but still kind of hugging our support at 15 90. Not bad at all. Yeah, FRC still continue to go down. AMC below the 4. Mara is still holding, guys. That $8.12 we should watch for. AI big plunge down for today, 12%. This is normal. This is normal. We have inflated price for AI. We got a huge pump, almost 50% in the span of just 5 days. 5 days we jumped almost 43% for AI. So this is normal. This is normal. Inflated price. So the price is going down to have a support around the 28.80. We have to have a reversal here. Yeah, FRC is still going down. Yeah, Joseph Angelo. Dental is going steadily. It's going up and slowly but steadily. NOGN, John. NOGN, of course, brother. Let me just check it for you now. Wow, so we broke first our support. Today we actually broke it. The $5.38, then the $3, now the $2. Let me just check. Not looking good for NOGN. We have a huge pump. If you're late to the party, the stock had first good earnings, then we got 1 to 20 reverse split, and guess what? After this two things, we jumped almost 4,000%. Of course, with the reverse split, but it was pumping up almost 400 or 300%. And the price got rejected around the 10 and got rejected down. So for this one, it looked really interesting, but now it's a bit risky because we broke two supports. Gold, oh man, gold go to all-time high, guys. Gold goes to all-time high. Time to buy gold. I'm watching for gold for a sentiment of the market, you know. Gold is a good indicators. We have a support here instead. Yeah, we have interesting support now in NOGN above the $2.19, resistant around the $4.18. Yeah, so this one is looking interesting. AMC is still going down. FRC is still holding. AI, we have to have a reversal. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly is flying. Butterfly stock is flying to the moon. 32. Potential resistance now around the $2.50. Potential resistance will happen anytime soon. If we broke this level without resistance, $2.90 should be a great level to take profit, of course. Until after breaking the 35, sky's the limit, brother. Sky's the limit. We're gonna do update, of course, after we clear this level. Tesla. This morning, Tesla is undecisive. We got a huge plunge down yesterday. This price action is not good, you know. We have a huge pump, then a huge dump. All the gain that we did the last day, we lost it. So for Tesla now, we have to go in a big picture to make sense of this price action. The support is still around the 185, resistance is 217. We got near last time around the 207, but the short is still heavily positioned around the $2.17. So yeah, we're still doing higher lows. We still pumped from this bottom, the 100, reverse from the 164, doing higher lows over the 185. Need time to break the 217. So the 217 will be a first signal for potential squeeze. Of course, the 313 is the most important level for this year. Okay, we getting near. See what's happened. First signal for resistance, $2.53. See what's happened. We test our resistance, red candle forming. We might have a continuation for this red candle down. Let's see what's gonna happen because we don't have a flush now. Still holding. AMC is still going down. I expect the $3.23 as a bottom for today. BFRG, Luis, remember those stocks, you have to be glued to the chart. You have to enter and exit in span a few seconds. If you make a class and you come back, of course, they could actually go to 100 and go back to $10 in the span a few minutes. You don't see Xander. We actually changed between the 5 and 15. You can see the number here. 5 is mean 5 minutes, 15 is mean 15 minutes, 1 is mean 1H is mean 1 hour, 4H is mean 4 hour. So it's easy. You can read it here on the chart. FRC, Oscar, Mara BLFLY is going down because we hit a resistance. Yeah, AI, huge flush down, 13%. We got 13% for AI. This is not normal. Luis, oh man, you missed the $9.50. BFRG, man, this is a good example, guys. BFRG, our hunter here, Luis, he was trading this stock and he missed the opportunity to sell around the $9.50 because he went to take his or make his class. And this is a good lesson for us to either put sell limit order or buy limit order for a stock that is crazy like this one. So if you want to trade those stocks, you have to set everything beforehand. Profit taken, stop loss, entry, everything before you go to the bathroom, making class, buying some food, whatever. If you want to leave those stocks, even 1 second can change everything. So always put limit order or sell limit order to take profit on those stocks if you leave even for a few minutes. This is good lesson because Luis, he said he didn't thought that the price would go toward the $9.50 or almost the $10. Yeah, we went until the $9.50 and still pumping. This is, I think, the top gainer for today. We already talked about this stock yesterday. When it was around the $4.52, we said there's low volume. So yesterday it was really low volume, below the 1 million, I think. Now it's 21 million. 21,800,000. This is really crazy. Yeah. BFLY getting near a breakout zone. Let's check BFLY. Let's check if we could short it. Okay, we can actually short it. There's no limit. Perfect. And for the buy, yeah, we can buy and we can short. Perfect. Because it's getting near interesting level to short, the $2.53. That's why the price is going down now. We'll see. AI, finally we have a green. Finally we have some green. Look, huge red, sea of red, and now we have a green candle forming over our support, the 28.89 exactly. So now finally we have a bit of green for AI. So now we might see a reversal and going toward the 31. Yeah, interesting. Interesting, Dave. Interesting. We have, you can actually have both, Dave. You can actually have both. You can have one-on-one meeting at the top of access to our stocks request and chart analysis and pitch on Discord. So you can have both. It's not just one Zoom meeting, but you can actually have both. But this is a good idea. If you just want the meeting, this is a good idea. We can actually arrange that. If you don't want to join our Patreon and you just want a one-on-one Zoom meeting, we can actually arrange that. You can actually just send me an email, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com and let me know what you think. Okay, GMVD Juan Vergara. I like your name, by the way. Juan asked about GMVD. We'll see. GMVD, let's check it very quick. We got high active stocks on our list. Oh man, this one is straightforward short. AI is going down. It's going down big time, 15%. Oh man, not interesting now. Looking really going down this time. Let's put it around the 26 this time. Okay, so the 26 we might trigger a sell-off if we broke it. The time being we might see a continuation until the 26. So the 26 should be at least a reversal from this bleeding. Huge bleeding for today for AI. That's why we always suggest to take profit, guys. You see, always take profit. We already exited here yesterday because we entered around the 30 and we exited when we have this selling pressure happened here. Is a weakness, price continue to go down. So let me lower this. For GMVD is pretty straightforward short. Once we get rejected around the 3 is game over. So the 3 is still a really important level to break. $3.12. Now it's risky to average down or buy. It's really risky. BFRG, yeah, huge pump, guys. BFRG, we expect a huge resistance below the 10, so that's why the price got rejected. Below the 10, so we expect a huge reversal because we're already pumped pretty nice. So we might go back toward the 5. So this one we might have a huge dump down toward the 5 to have a bit of reloading up. The rocket have to fuel, man. The rocket have to fuel. And OGN still holding the last bottom, guys. $2.19, the last bottom for NOGN. Butterfly going down, yeah, going down from the $2.53. It was good short here, great short, 6% now already. FRC going down, guys, going down. Already opened short position for FRC. And now it's going down. AMC is going down, resistant $4.40. Mara is going down almost 2%. Yeah. Let me just put alert here for a trigger for a sell-off around the $7.44. First support. Many of you ask about MULN. 3% down. MULN still. Yeah, once we got rejected around the 1387 flush. Support, current support is now around 9 cents or almost the 10 cents. Yeah, almost the 10. So this is critical area to hold. Let's add alert around the 99. What happened? Wow. I put it around the 99 instead of 0.99. Yes, perfect. So we need to hold the 9 cents and breaking this 11. Yeah, the 11 should be the first breakout. Boom, lower this should be here. And the other thing around this level. Boom. Okay, perfect. So for MULN, we got new levels. The 9 cent, of course. If we broke it, we're gonna have a new low for this year and a flush down below the 8 cent. If we held it, we're gonna have a continuation to break the 11 and then going toward the 13. So this is the resistance that we have to watch out for. Any price in between is accumulation and sideways trading, and it's not interesting for me. That's why take it off from the list. Make rooms to other stocks. FRC going down, AMC as well. Okay, let me just check. SECO. Wow, this one is pumping almost 130%. Getting near another level to watch. $1, $1.60. So we got some level for this one, $1.60. If we broke it, we might have a break, 50%. Yeah, I will put alert for this one as well. Okay, BFRG is going down. It's going down. We might have a flush toward the $5.80. Yeah, this one's going down. AMC, FRC, Oscar as well is going down. So let me just put this here. Yeah, and OGN already did chart analysis for it actually yesterday. We didn't hold. BFRG, it's going down. Down. We already hit almost the $10, of course. Okay. Yeah, we got a notice from one of our hunters regarding AMC. I didn't check yesterday and after hours. That's why we did pre-market update for AMC, and we covered it today. It was crazy action yesterday. SECO still holding the gain, 120. Juan is not for today. GMVT is still in big picture, is still in short downtrend. VORB. We talked about this one before, I think. Yeah, we gapped down, I think, today. Yeah, today. Not interesting in this one. Not interested. Not interested. After this, two flush down. We got two flush here. And another gap here. So, yeah, wow, we've been talking about this one when we have a test around the 86. Yeah, the 86 was the last fight for this stock. Now we're gonna lower it down toward the 35 and even lower it around the 19. But yeah, the 34 is the most important level. Yeah, we got 19 cents. But now I'm not recommend to buy this one. It's really risky now. For the other stock is like going jumping from a like big cliff, and you don't know the depth of the water, you know. This is kind of crazy. You have to test it at least with a rock or something to test if is it safe enough, is the water's deep enough to plunge, you know. But now normally new traders, they plunge down on those kind of water without checking, you know. So it's kind of you risk everything. You have to check if the water deep enough to plunge. Just ask yourself what's the last time you actually jumped from really high toward I don't know, a river or on the water without checking the depth of the water. When the last time you did that? Never. Hopefully never. Okay, and Intel is doing alright. Guys, Intel is going to the moon. INTC is going to the moon today. 2%. We expect the 35 as a profit taken. 35 should be the profit taken for INTC for today. Yeah, FRC, we might see a flush continuation. 6%. First support should be around the $12.90. We had the chance to break the $15, but price gave up. Yeah, Barack Obama, I agree with you. We got many stocks have earnings today. Many stocks had earnings. So you see this one, we got good earnings but the bad revenue. Price is still plunging down. So not every time good earnings actually indicate a huge bump. Here we got a huge bump for the earnings, and the good earnings and revenue, the price gap up. For this one, no, we got this one. So usually when the company new, the earnings is not important enough, because usually the revenue is not good like indication for the company growth, because usually every company when it started with negative revenue. It's kind of almost 100% based on the debt. So yeah, most importantly is have a vision and a way of grow. So the investor will have a reason to invest in the company. That's why Tesla actually have huge earnings per share, because they got projection of the price or the growth will be compounding after the coming years. BFRG, I think dumped down. Yeah, BFRG is going down, guys. Gonna test the $5.80. SoFi as well, $5.80. SoFi getting down. SoFi. Oh man, so SoFi have an important level to hold, otherwise will be not good, which is over the 570. Otherwise would be not good. AMC. We might have power hour for AMC if after we break the $4.40. Luis, good. This is a good lesson for you, brother. Good lesson for you. Always take profit. Always take profit. That's why the price going down. So when it's going down, you could actually load up. If you want to hold even in the big picture, you can make swing trade, You don't have to hold. You can actually secure your profit because you don't know what's going to happen next or tomorrow or 1 month. Even if you believe in the company, you could actually take profit on the way. Even if the market went down or the stock went bankrupt, even there's 1% chance that from that happening, you take your first principle of interest or investment, so you be risk-free if you take profit on the way, Luis, that's why we're here, brother. That's why we're here. And remember, making mistakes is not bad. It's really good to learn. Exactly. That's how we are like human civilization actually grow like this from hunter-gatherers. That's why the only way to survive in any situation is to have the hunter mind, the hunter mentality. Or as we said before, if you are have this like a father who's a fisherman and a mother who like doing, let's say, we said the patience came from a guy who actually fish, because you have to wait for hours to catch a fish. And the other one, we talk about confidence, I think. Yeah, we talk about being patient and being confident. So yeah, being confident and patient is the two skills to have to be better trader. and how to be better trader by have those two things, because being patient make you not over trade and let the price come to you and never run after the price, and be confident will serve you when the markets hit our entry point. You have the confidence to enter really heavily and aggressively. So you should have both, you know when you get in and at the same time when you stop trading. HYMC looking interesting. HYMC. 9%. Yeah, it's kind of looking interesting. Kind of. It's about to do something, yeah. Yeah, it's looking interesting because it's getting near the 40. It's getting near the 40. Yeah, looking really interesting. Thank you for bringing this up to us. Wow. So we got the 47 breakout. Yeah, we are about to break. We're still holding. We have a flag forming here. If we broke it around the 47, we're gonna have a huge pump toward the 55 and the 70. Let's check how much we can do on this trade. 14%, 45% ultimate profit taking. Wow. So yeah, this one looking interesting. I will keep it on the list. This one, Cisco, looking interesting. Wow. So this one as well looking really interesting. BFRG flushing, guys, flushing down. Yeah, the $9.50 was the resistance. NOGN, we'll take it from the list because it's sleeping. BFLY, we'll keep it. Marathon Digital Holding, testing the support. We need to hold it, guys, if we don't want to have a sell-off for Mara. Yeah, this is really critical for Mara. You see what's happened here? A breakout should happen around this area, the $9.40. This will be a trigger for entering a bullish trend, but we didn't. We're still struggling to break this channel. You see, we're still inside this bearish channel, the big one, big bearish channel. And earnings doesn't look good, the last 4 earnings, but some news came lately about the Bitcoin production for Mars get increased, so we might have a turning point if we just hold a current support. Let me just put this there. We might see the price actually going down once again, because now is testing the last support, $8.30. Because if we broke it, we might have price going down once again. 6.66. yeah, we'll see. $8 now should be a support, otherwise $6.66, the double number. It was by not by chance that we picked this price, but it was by the market maker interest. They are the devils. Yes, Angelo, you remind me about going to this to the gym. Today I'm gonna train my biceps. This is good that you actually put this on the chat here. Yeah, Joseph Angelo actually tell us to go to the gym, but not now, Angelo. Not now. After the live streaming, maybe. Yeah, agreed, brother, agreed. This is how people lose all the profit and more. We got two levels if we want to enter again for BFRG. One around the $5.80, which is now, it's been tested now, and the other is around the $4.51. So we got two levels, guys. Two levels for BFRG to reverse from. Watch out now for the reversal, because this is really critical area to reverse from for BFRG. If we had this, would be really great. This means this is the support, and we're gonna have a reversal, and of course we have to take profit there instead of 10. So this is the game plan. $7.40, $9.50, of course the squeeze and the second profit taking, but now is the critical level to hold, $5.80, which been tested now. Yeah, exactly. Human being always learn best by losing. Yeah, like if you crash your car, you learn how to drive, like more carefully. And if you like I don't know, like you lose money, of course, you're gonna be more careful to trade less risky. So yeah. However, some people never learn, man. If you don't go back and check what went wrong, and check like your mistakes, and look exactly at your mistakes in order to never make them again, you end up doing it once again. And you know why? Because a lot of people, when they lose money or do bad thing, they can't go back and check, because when you lose money, you get angry, at the same time you get sad, so you don't want to recreate this emotion by checking how did you lose money. So a lot of people, what they do when they lose money, they stop trading. And guess what happened here? They say, okay, I will stop trading, I will stop looking at the chart in order to forget about the loss. But this is not good. I know it's really hard, to go back and see you trade and calculate how much you lost and check your portfolio, because it's make you sad and angry, and you don't want to feel this emotion. And it went I went in this phase before because I lost money, and I don't want to look even to my portfolio. I don't want to even open my brokerage account. Imagine, I spent almost few months. I don't want to trade. I don't want to see anything. But this is make you never learn. Even if you go back after 6 months, 5 months, 1 year, you never learn anything, because you never get back and learn from your mistakes. How are you gonna learn from your mistakes if you don't go back to check your mistakes and try to prevent them? That's why a lot of people never be good traders, because of that. They lose money, they stop trading, and they come back after 6 months once again, or 1 year. They do it again. After 1 year, they go back, They trade, they lose money, they stop trading because they lost money, and then again they do it after 1 year because they forget. You see? And they never learn, because it's not about losing money you're gonna learn. No, it's not the process of losing money. No, the process after losing money is going back and check what happened. Say, what's going on here? What's happened? Nobody asked this question. Oh man, what's going on with this? Okay, INTC. We have a huge pump. Now the price is going down. Interesting. Huge wick. Wow. Huge wick here. And now the price going down. Oh boy, 1% here. So, what's going on? Got rejected here. We have to have a reversal for INTC. In smaller picture, we should have a reversal at that level. Yeah, it's going down big time. Yeah, Ethereum looking good, guys. We have a huge breakout from the 1,800. We expected 2,000 pretty soon for Dogecoin or Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum looking pretty nice, and we got this one SXP. We expect a huge pump for this one as well, almost 38%. The price is still doing higher lows here. There's a potential continuation for this coin over, let me just put the support there. Yeah, we might see a continuation for this one toward the $1. Dogecoin, the looking really great. We have a huge pump because Elon Musk, of course, put the face of Dogecoin on Twitter. So we got Dogecoin, we got Ethereum and SXP. They are all doing good. And Shiba Coin is preparing to do the same reaction as Dogecoin, so I'm watching it. Yeah, until it's going down to the depth. We got, yeah, it's going down, man. We got the last, yeah, it's done. Game over. So Intel is going down in smaller picture. In the big picture is still looking healthy. 32 is the first support, of course. HYMC is still. This one, yeah, we checked this one yesterday. 14% down. We'll be watching the $2.30, because if we broke it, it means sell-off. So if we held over this support, we're gonna break the $3.50 next time. So let's a support or alert around this level to check later. Yeah, Mara is going down a bit. Yeah, we broke the support now around the $8, which is our resistance now. Okay, Mara is going down, guys. We broke this important level, so now we're gonna have huge selling pressure for Mara toward at least, let me just check, around maybe here, $7.87. Farsi is still holding BLVY. Barack Obama always forgets to like our live streaming. I understand, brother, I understand. That's why I stopped keep saying like the video, because usually most of our viewers here are traders, so when they watch our live streaming, they keep it as a podcast and they watch their charts instead. So yeah, I understand. We're not actually doing funny videos or dancing videos when people actually just watching for enjoyment, but we do it as educational for trading, and trading is serious. That's why a lot of people focusing on trading, not on putting the like or Usually they forget. So I understand, Barack Obama, I understand. Tesla is just a tease. Yeah, we got the tease, a huge tease yesterday. Yeah, this is really interesting. That's why I'm thinking about opening a podcast, because usually many traders like to listen instead of watching. Of course, Luis, we're gonna do a video, Luis, around the 8 p.m. CET, of course, for the next hunt for tomorrow. And if we got new levels for AMC or other stock, we're gonna actually update them here on our Hunter channel, on our Discord. They trade. We're gonna do short analysis update for them here, so watch out. And even on our Patreon, any change in price action, we're gonna put them here on our after our live streaming on our Hunter channel. Watch out for that, guys. It's sunny day today. Finally, we got sun. Really missed the sun. Wow, really interesting gem. Good one. There's no delay, yeah. BLPH. BLPH. Light volume breaking from the resistance, the 9. Wow, this one looking interesting, yeah. Boom. This one looking interesting toward the 12. Wow, so this one, yeah. Thank you for bringing this up, brother. BLPH is squeezing from the 9. We have the 12.20 as a profit, and the 18, the support is $5.70. Yeah, interesting one. Yeah, I forgot to put alert for this one. That's why we didn't trigger it. Thank you. Okay, guys, we have to end our live streaming. Thank you for watching. We're gonna do a video on the 8 p.m. CET for the hunt for tomorrow market. As we said, we're gonna do short analysis updates for the stocks that have potential to squeeze in the power hour and our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.